Hello class, welcome to another day of classes. Today in our science class what we are going to do is to finish with the last part of our topic that during all this week we were talking about. And today is Thursday, September the 3rd, 2020. And we are working with our books pages 80 and 81. So let's go to continue with our topic. Remember that in the video that we watched on Tuesday, there were a part that they were talking about dehydration. Why? Because dehydration happens or occurs when you don't drink enough water. So dehydration is when inside your body you are the water is missing because you don't have enough water inside your body. So that's why dehydration happen or dehydrations occur. Some symptoms of dehydration are thirst, dry mouth, less frequent urination, dry skin. We have dry mouth and also our skin. Our skin becomes like fish skin or like other animal. It becomes very strange and terrible. Also, we can have a lot of headaches every single day. And our beating here, the beat of our hair become more fast. So those are dehydration symptoms. Now, what are the benefits of drinking water? Please, in your science notebook, copy this information. You're going to copy this part and also you're going to write. You're just going to write the symptoms of dehydration. Now, the benefits of drinking water are weigh less, so you can have a fine shape in your body, the digestion of all the aliments that you eat every day. Also, your brain is not going to have any problem. Your skin becomes better in a better aspect. You don't have headaches. You don't have a lot of headaches or you don't have headaches often. Also, you can have the energy inside the body that you need every day. And you can do or you become better in exercise. Doing exercise every day. So those are benefits of drinking water. Tomorrow is Friday, right? And tomorrow you have the presentation. The 3 important facts why water is important. Those are the facts that you're going to present tomorrow inside class. That was everything for today's science class. Please keep in mind the importance of drinking water. Avoid dehydration and study for your presentation. That was everything for today's class. See you until next time. Bye. Blessings from the Lord, from you and yours. Keep safe at home. I'm sending a lot of hugs and kisses. Bye. Take care, please.